Problem 2 says find the missing information in the stock market report if the corporation's annual earnings per share was $4.12 and yesterday's closing price was 53. So we look and we see we have to fill in the yield percent, the PE ratio, and the net change. Now, yield percent is annual dividend per share over closing price per share. So dividend per share is $2.64 and closing per share is 53 and a half. 264 divided by 53 and a half. And because this essentially is a percent, I'm going to call that 4.9. The PE ratio is the closing market price, so it uses that number again, over the corporation's annual earnings per share. So the closing price we already said was 53 and a half, and the corporation's annual earnings per share they told us was $4.12. So 53.5 divided by 412 gives us $12.99, I would call that. And then the net change has to do with the closing price, which is 53 and a half, and yesterday's closing price, which they said was 53. So it went from 53 to 53 and a half. So you can see it went up a half.